Show the eCatcher application on my mobile phone. So as before, we are given the opportunity to log in to an account. And here I'm logging in as a user rather than as the administrator. So the first thing we need to do is set up our PIN code for future logons. And because I'm a user, I can see just those two flexes that I've been given permission to view in the group. So training rig 1 is offline with a grey bar, training rig 4 is online, and we have two devices that we can connect to on that flexi. So we can connect now and very easily view the camera, open the URL. As before, enter our username and password for the camera itself and log in. View the screen and we're in. So we didn't need to load any extra clients on my on my telephone. We were just able to access the web pages in the camera without any problem. We can look at the logs to see who's been connected and what they did. So the system tells us that. And then when we disconnect, we're back to the login page again. And at the top, we've got the ability to specify whether we want to leave a notification or just log out.